All right, here in the center. Yeah. Yes, here, three of you. Now straight here. Yeah. Wait. Now individual. Yeah, look at this one now. Yeah, man. Now one solo. How solo? Ma'am, excuse me. Can I have a photo picture of you? Okay, here. All right. Here. Yeah. Excuse me. Right side. पूरे दुनिया में कब्जा करना है यहाँ पे सामने आपके on the second mark. Yeah. Nishika ji यहाँ पे on that. Right side. Yes, right side. Excuse me, ma'am. Right side. Ah, we are left side. Right side. Thank you. Second one. Ma'am. Babu sir Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Yes, yes. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. What are we supposed to say? Are you going to ask this question? It's fantastic. I'm here for Nishka. I'm wearing a beautiful design by Nishka, and so I'm feeling really good. And it's great. I think Grazia is a great magazine, and I am a reader, so I'm here to support them, and I think it's going to be fun inside.
I think Grazia is, it stands for Easy Chic, and my clothes are Easy Chic, so I think it's great to be here for these awards, and I think it's great that a magazine can appreciate Easy Chic clothes which are wearable and versatile, so I'm really happy to be here.
Thank you.
So what would you like to...
Yeah, but why are we talking about films here? It's a fashion event, so I think we should stick to that.
I would like to know, Nishka, this is your first award after really long. So what do you like to say about that?
I'm really excited to win this award because I think it's very fitting for my clothes to win a Grazia award. It is about everyday wear, which makes a girl feel very confident, and you can wear it in many ways. So I'm really excited to get this award today.
Would you like to tell us what Sonal is wearing tonight?
She's wearing a gold t-shirt and high-waisted pajama pants, which are from my latest collection, and it is very easily glamorous, and you can wear it. You can feel very comfortable and confident in it. So she is wearing something from my new collection today.
Would you like to say something about the outfit?
I love it. I think the one thing that I really like about Nishka's clothes are that they're very, very effortlessly sexy and glamorous. She's never trying too hard to, make a, like put a look together. It's just like as if everything just flows. And I love the fabrics that she uses. They feel really nice on the body and they fall very well. So it's perfect for me because these are the two things that are very important. The fabric has to be nice. It's nice and airy and young and cool and fresh. So yeah. I think it's that is something which is always welcome because education is what decides the future of a country, and I think the youth is that we need, especially in our country, to be more aware of what's going on, and especially in the politics right now since the elections are going on. So yes, definitely, I think there's always room for improvement, and it'll be great if it gets better. I think my fashion tip would be, like I said, I really like Nishka's style, and that's exactly what my style also is, very casual and very effortlessly chic. And so I just feel that never try too hard, never try to ape anyone, because that's when you make a fool of yourself. So just be yourself and keep it simple. Yeah, the movie's called Legend, and it released on 28th of March, and it's doing very, very well. Come there.
Yes, Richa ma'am. On right, Richa ma'am. Richa ma'am. Wait. Huh?
Yeah.
Who's asking the questions? Where do I look for it?
Richa here.
मैंने विवियन वेस्टवुड की ड्रेस पहनी है, केनेथ को के शूज़ पहने हैं और डेलिकेट एक्सेसरीज विच आर माइन. आई डोंट थिंक सो, ज़रूरी नहीं है. विद्या बालन एक बहुत सक्सेसफुल एक्ट्रेस हैं और उनके बाय हर ओन एडमिशन शी सेज शी डजंट अंडरस्टैंड फैशन, सो एंड शी इज स्टिल सो सेलिब्रेटेड एंड सो सक्सेसफुल. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि प्रेशर अपने आप पे हम खुद ही क्रिएट करते हैं. तो अगर इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन फैशन तो आप फॉलो करें, अगर आप नहीं हैं तो आप बस अपना काम करें, एक्टिंग करें. आई फील लाइक PR मशीनरी को स्ट्रॉन्ग होना ज़रूरी है, पर मोस्टली एट द टाइम ऑफ रिलीज, बिकॉज एवरीबडी नोज़ अगर कोई काम नहीं होता है जिसके बारे में बात करनी चाहिए तो फालतू बात लगती है. मतलब एम्प्टी वेसल्स मेक द मोस्ट नॉइज, ऐसा लगता है. बेस्ट विशेस, आई होप ही विन्स. गुलजार साहब की लिरिक्स हम बचपन से सुनते आए हैं और उनकी फिल्में भी देखते आए हैं, तो जाहिर सी बात है किसी भी एक्टर के लिए खुशकिस्मती होगी उनके साथ काम करना. आई कांट हियर यू. अगर इंडिया को एज अ कंट्री डेवलप करना है तो एजुकेशन सिस्टम को ही डेवलप करने की सबसे पहले ज़रूरत है. एकेडमिक्स में इंडिया स्ट्रॉन्ग है, हम उस एजुकेशन को नहीं है. इट्स समथिंग दैट वी हैव टू स्ट्राइव फॉर, दैट एवरी चाइल्ड इन दिस कंट्री शुड बी एजुकेटेड, चाहे वो लड़की हो या लड़का. ये ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि एजुकेशन की डिसेमिनेशन कैसे हो, ना कि सिर्फ
कि हम प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन में कैसे अपग्रेड करते रहें अपने आप। I like Kangna. She's very stylish. She's very spunky. She knows what looks good on her. She follows the trends and she's almost always impeccable. I really like her style. I have 4 releases this year and 1 short film which is opening Venice, which is with Meera Nair. So I have a very busy year. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am, second mark. Thank you.
Thank you. It's by Manisha Arora for Amrapali. Yeah, of course. I think fashion and Bollywood are sort of, they go hand in hand. So I'm looking forward to seeing who all they have today. And I think new talent is always exciting, especially for us, because I think it's good to grow with the talent that you have in your generation, and I think that's fun. प्रेशर आप डालते हैं और हम बोलते हैं छोड़ो, नो प्रेशर. Sorry, I can't hear you. I think these terms are given by you guys. So I'd rather not give myself a term and have an inflated ego about it. But yeah, I do enjoy dressing up. I enjoy experimenting with clothes, and I think it's a lot of fun. But I don't like to take it so seriously, because I think that ruins the fun of it. And style is something that you make. You wear the clothes, you make them stylish. Clothes don't make you stylish. I guess it is essential. मुझे बहुत एक्चुअली भारी लगता है कि कॉन्स्टेंटली न्यूज़ में कुछ ना कुछ हो, लोग आपके बारे में बात करते रहें. आई थिंक इट कैन गेट, वो उसकी मिस्ट्री निकल जाती है फ्रॉम अ पर्सन. सो आई लाइक टू कीप द मिस्ट्री ऑफ अ पर्सन अलाइव, बिकॉज फिर इवन इन द ऑडियंसेस माइंड्स दैट्स मोर एक्साइटिंग. But I think it is one of the necessary evils of our industry today. Yeah. I think whatever you say about Gulzar Saab is too little. He makes the most mundane thing become just fabulous. And I think that is the magic of Gulzar Saab and his words. He is absolutely magical, and he is such a beautiful human being as well.
सर मैं यहाँ आ जाऊँ थोड़ा, तू इधर आ जा, कम से कम टेंशन.
Well, my own favorite, very good friend Nikhil Thampi. उसी का outfit पहना हुआ है, and of course here's the designer. Please get him in frame. I'm very comfortable, and I'm really glad that Nikhil ने मुझे ऐसा कोई outfit दिया that fits me and that suits my body and my personality. I think हाँ, I think हमेशा, but personal style बहुत ज़रूरी है, and luckily in India we have great designers like Nikhil Thampi itself, who they know Indian body, they know Indian culture, they know Indian society, Bollywood they understand, so they make outfits according to actresses. नहीं, I think काम ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, PR से ज़्यादा. अगर आप काम कर रहे हैं, PR आपका होता ही रहेगा. I think Deepika. I really like how Deepika is always dressed. Thank you.
श्रद्धा जी यहाँ पे मैडम श्रद्धा जी श्रद्धा here श्रद्धा here श्रद्धा जी यहाँ सामने श्रद्धा जी श्रद्धा राइट का गाड़ी वापस आई श्रद्धा मैडम इथे समोर श्रद्धा समोर श्रद्धा मैडम समोर श्रद्धा या स्ट्रेट मैडम जरा समोर श्रद्धा यहाँ पे पहले
get that, and it's good. It shows appreciation for your work, so I'm very flattered with that. Yes, I am crossing my fingers to get it, and it'll be nice. सबसे ज़्यादा stylish, I think Imran Khan has a very good sense of style because he dresses exactly the way he wants to and the way that he is. So I think it's really cool. In females, Sona, absolutely, she's very stylish and she's a style icon, so it's great. I think fashion is basically being true to yourself and being comfortable in what you wear and not wear something which you're not comfortable in, but sometimes you have to wear heels which are very uncomfortable, which I personally find very uncomfortable, but kabhi kabar you have to wear it, you know, and that's fine, but normally wear what you're comfortable in. जी बिल्कुल, वो bruises भी है और मैंने ड्रेस पहन रखी है, but my bruises are there on the knees, but it's okay, हो जाता है, but people should remember to wear their helmets at all times. I think it's wonderful. He is a legend, and it's great when legends get recognition. It's great. Not that I know of yet. मुझे तो पता नहीं है. I mean, I've not been offered it, so not that I know of. Okay, thank you.